Hello guys, in this lesson I will show you how to create a custom attribute. So here I have just a simple sphere and I changed the primitive type to polygon mesh. So I will hit tab and type attribute and I will choose attribute create. Let's connect that and let's now name the attribute. Let's name it up. Okay, and here guys, the class I will leave it to point. And here in the value guys, I will change that to at capital P dot y greater than 0. So now I created an attribute called up, which is all the points above the 0. Okay, so if you right click here guys and choose spreadsheet, you will see here I have the attribute called up. Okay, and it's a point attribute. So if you click here on the primitives or the vertex, you don't see that attribute. You need to click on the point, okay, to see that. So let's create another attribute. You can create another attribute guys by coming here and clicking on the plus icon. As you see, I created new section, or let's delete that, or you can just create another node. So I will hit Control and C and Control and V to copy and paste that, and I will connect that to the attribute 1. Okay, so now I will change that to bottom. Okay, and now I will change this one to less than 0. Okay, so now if I right click and choose spreadsheet, now I have two attributes here. You see I have the bottom and the up. Okay, so now we can type, for example, delete, and let's connect that. Okay, and here guys, in the operation I will change that to delete by range, delete by expression, and I will type here the attribute, which is uppercase U and P. Okay, I need to change the entity to point, and another thing we forgot to do here, to add the at symbol. Okay, so now if I hit enter, as you see I deleted all the points above the 0 axis. Okay, so now let's copy that and let's paste that, and again guys, I will type here bottom, and as you see I deleted the second half of the sphere. As you see I deleted the second half. Okay, so that's it for this lesson guys. I will see you in the next lesson.